Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Kaspersky subscription, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Kaspersky subscription, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Kaspersky website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for the Subscriptions or My Products option. Click on it to view your current subscriptions. Find the subscription you wish to cancel. Select the subscription you want to manage. You will see an option to cancel subscription or manage subscription. Click on the Cancel option. A confirmation window may appear asking for your reasons for cancellation. Provide the necessary information if prompted. Once confirmed, follow any additional instructions provided. You should receive a confirmation email about your cancellation. Check your email to ensure the cancellation was successful. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Kaspersky support for assistance. Make sure to review any important information regarding your remaining service period. Keep a record of your cancellation for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.